Now we will see this activity which is called as light dependent resistor, or in short form it is called as LDR. Now this is a device, this is a semiconductor device which provides resistance. जैसे अपने carbon resistance होते हैं, similarly this is another resistance, but this is dependent upon light of the surrounding. As you change the light, there will be change in the resistance. Now how to measure the resistance of this particular semiconductor device? So for that we will be using this multimeter. See, one end will be connected to one terminal of this device, another end of the multimeter is connected here, and knob here we have to arrange on this particular segment. The resistance वाला segment दिया रहेगा अपने को 2 mega ohm, 200k, 20k, 2k, 200 ohms. So we'll arrange this knob and we'll shift this knob and keep it at 20k. अभी मैंने 20k पे रखा है इसको. And if you can see here, the resistance, it is showing something 4.85. You can see here this resistance is approximately 4.8 kilo ohms के आसपास है, किलो ohms में रखा है. और जैसे जैसे इसका लाइट का इंटेंसिटी चेंज होगा, you can see here, डार्क करते जाएंगे रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ता जाएगा. You can see here the resistance is increasing. So by changing the intensity of light, there will be change in the resistance. You can see here, जैसे इसको डार्क करते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे रेजिस्टेंस उसमें चेंज होते जाएगा. डार्क करते गया इंफिनिटी पहुंच गया, और भी वैल्यू बढ़ सकता है अगर मेजर करेंगे. तो इसमें अपने को अलग अलग डिस्टेंस पे लाइट रख के अलग अलग रेजिस्टेंसेस मेजर करने के, और फिक्स है. we'll start the distance with 50 centimeter, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. That is 8 readings we'll measure, and that will be resistance in kilo ohm. So light is kept here, and we'll keep this LDR at length of 50 centimeters. You can see here 50 centimeters पे हमने रखा है, and then we'll switch on this light and see that what is the resistance of this LDR when the light is switched on. Now see here, light switch on किया, you can see here the resistance at present it is showing is 1.24 kilo ohms. Another length, that is 55 centimeters, will keep this LDR, and after keeping at 55, the resistance is showing this time 1.35. Then we have moved to 60 centimeter distance between this LDR and the light. Now I have kept this LDR at 60 centimeter. This time it is showing resistance of 1.45 kilo ohms. Further, we'll shift this LDR to 65 centimeters. This time it is showing 1.55. Same way for 70 centimeters. It is 1.68. Then shifting this to 75 centimeters, 1.76. Shifting this to 80 centimeters, resistance is 1.84. And at last for 85 centimeters, we'll see the resistance is 1.93. So first column resistance in kilo ohms, distance in centimeter, then we have d square. अब 50 का square लेंगे तो it will come as 2500 centimeters. Similarly for 50 it is 2500, for 55 it will be calculated, 60, 65, 70, d square will be calculated. In your handbook or in your journal, 1 by d square is given to you, but don't calculate this 1 by d square. ये नहीं करना, आपको इतना ही करने का. And then we will draw a graph और d square versus r. तो जैसे जैसे d square बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे r बढ़ेगा, and the graph will look like this way somewhat. When you draw the graph will be look like this way. वो ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने के बाद अपने को देखने का.